Good morning. We built boxes over the weekend. That's about, I don't know, maybe 350 boxes, something like that. So Monday today, I'm working on my Shopbot, making a new spoiler board that goes on the machine bed, and then the signs go on top of it. This one is it's been on the machine since 2014 when I first got it. It's the original MDF spoiler board. Unfortunately, I cannot carve any deeper, so I have to make a new one. That's on the agenda, and then we have to carve about 30 to 35 signs, something like that. So I'm going to run 3 machines and then work on the 4th one, get it ready for production. Well, we just had a power surge, so all computers are down. That one I restarted, this one just came on. Those 2 were okay, and that one is struggling, but okay. Spoiler board is done. I carved it 200 thousandths deep. That gives me a nice edge here to butt up the sign, like so. And yeah, new clamps. I ran into one clamp last week, so I need to replace one clamp, and then we're done. So also I started uploading more shorts. We upload 1 short per day, 1 short video, about 20 to 30 seconds. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, please check out the playlist Shorts, or Shorts Project, I think it's called, and like and subscribe to this video. It would help us out. It would help us out the channel. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.